Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another electrifying episode of Buy Smart, where we compare products so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two heavyweights, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo, aka Kobra Neo, and the Creality K1 Max, or as I like to call it, the K1 Maximus. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. First things first, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The Kobra Neo is priced at a wallet-friendly $279. Meanwhile, the K1 Maximus is sitting pretty at $929. I mean, for that price difference, you could almost buy 3 Kobra Neos and still have change for a celebratory pizza. But hey, maybe the K1 Maximus comes with a built-in butler or something. Let's find out. Speed is crucial in the 3D printing game. The Kobra Neo boasts a max print speed of 250 millimeters per second and recommends a speed of 150 millimeters per second. Pretty zippy, right? But wait, the K1 Maximus laughs in the face of speed limits with a mind-blowing 600 millimeters per second. It's like comparing a cheetah to a very enthusiastic tortoise. If you're in a hurry, the K1 Maximus will spit out your models faster than you can say, extruder. Now, let's talk print quality and tech. The Kobra Neo features a new integrated extruder and a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan, ensuring your models are as crisp as a freshly printed meme. It also has Marlin firmware enhancements for reducing spillage and resonance. Reviewers praise its high-quality prints and ease of use, although some mention needing to tweak settings for the best results. On the flip side, the K1 Maximus flexes its smart AI LiDAR and camera tech. This thing is practically a Terminator. It ensures first-layer precision and stops printing at the slightest hiccup. Plus, it can do time-lapse videos of your prints, making it a hit among reviewers who love its advanced features and reliability. Ease of use is a biggie. The Kobra Neo has LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling, making it a breeze for beginners. You can start printing faster than you can say, "What's AZ axis?" Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly setup and operation, although some note minor adjustments may be needed. The K1 Maximus, however, takes it up a notch with fully automatic array leveling. It's pre-assembled and does a self-inspection every time you power it up. Reviewers love the convenience and time-saving features, likening it to having a personal assistant who also happens to be a mechanical genius. When things go wrong, and let's face it, they will, you want solid customer support. The Kobra Neo offers a 1-year service with specifics on the print head and heated bed. Reviewers find the support helpful, but note it could be more robust. But the K1 Maximus? It's got your back with 12 months of comprehensive after-sales service. Plus, they guarantee a response within 24 hours. Reviewers appreciate the prompt and reliable support, although some have had mixed experiences with parts and warranty issues. Overall, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and good print quality, making it a solid choice for beginners and budget-conscious buyers. On the other hand, the Creality K1 Max impresses with its advanced features, blazing speed, and comprehensive customer support, making it a dream machine for those willing to invest more. So there you have it, folks. If you're on a budget and want reliable performance, the Kobra Neo is your go-to. But if you want to print like there's no tomorrow and have a small fortune to spend, the K1 Maximus is your dream machine. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. This is Buy Smart, helping you make smarter choices one product at a time. See you next time. Product links are in the description.